Hello everyone, in this lesson we will set up our basic settings in our WordPress. So, without further ado, let's get into it. Open the screen options, unclick all of those, and let's delete our unnecessary plugins, which are pre-installed, and unnecessary themes, which are also pre-installed. So, that was it for this one. I'll see you on the next one. Hello everyone, in this lesson we're gonna create our WooCommerce settings and set up our shipping methods and payment gateways. So, first of all, let's set our address line. Basically not our address line, let's set up our country, state, Greece, Attica, postcode. This is the postcode. Sell to all countries and locations. Ship to all countries. Sub-country region. You can enable taxes if you want to enable taxes for your shop. You can change the currency right here. I will change it to euro. Currency position, etc. Save changes. Let's go to products. The products page is by default the shop page. Redirect to the cart page after the successful addition. No, you can leave it up to the customer to specify that. Placeholder image 10 kilogram centimeter. Reviews can only be left by verified owners. Yes. Save changes. Let's go to shipping. This is where we create our shipping zones. This is where we create the shipping for our countries we want to include to the shipping areas. So, let's add a shipping zone. Let's give it a name. I will give it a name of Greece. You can name it whatever your country is. I will name it Greece and find Greece right here. I will include one specific area of Greece, Attica. Add a shipping method. You can change it to free shipping or flat rate. Let's see how flat rate works. Let's click on continue. You can leave it to taxable and change the flat rate to $1. So now we have created the shipping method for our flat rates for our shipping settings. So let's go to shipping settings. Hide shipping costs until an address is entered. Save changes. Let's go back to shipping zones. Now we have Attica flat rate here. The rest of the world is optional zone. Let's create this zone, let's edit it, and let's make a shipping method for the rest of the world. Let's make a flat rate, and I'll set it for $10. 10 euros. Create. So, now there is one more thing. You can create classes. Let's go create classes. Shipping class. Add the shipping class. Let's make a class for t-shirts. Now let's copy this and put it inside here. The slug is the same as the shipping class and description is the same as the shipping class. And let's edit this. It's okay. Let's add another shipping class. Let's add the cargo pants. And let's go back to our shipping settings. Shipping zones, I'm sorry. Let's choose to edit our Attica. Let's choose to edit this flat rate, and now we can see we have shipping costs, shipping class cost. For this shipping class only, the cost. We can set it up to per quantity. So I can set this to $2 per quantity. Let me see this. Yes, of course. We need the asterisk. So this is set now to $2 per quantity. T-shirts, we can set it to 2 also. And click on Save. Now we have created shipping rates for these two. Basically, let's edit one more thing. We have to take this from here, cut it and paste it over here, and make an asterisk quantity. This is the default shipping class, no shipping class, and save it. So that was it for this class rate. Now we're going to create another shipping zone for the rest of the world. No, we want to create for the rest of Greece. So click on Add Zone. You can create it for your country or your shipping zone, whatever you want it to be. I'm creating it for this. Greece, rest of Greece. Greece. I will not include Attica, I will include everything else. Sorry. All the rest of the south of the places, and now we can create the shipping method. Let's create flat rate, and I want to change the prices right here. I want to make it 5 per quantity. I want to make this also 5 per quantity. And I want to make this 4 per quantity. So this is how we create the shipping rates for the rest of the Greece. So I'm just giving you a basic example. You can set different zones and different rates for different zones. You can get the point where I'm getting to, and you can see where I'm getting on. Hello everyone, in this lesson we're gonna configure PayPal settings, Stripe settings and Razorpay. So let's go to our plugins and click on Add New Plugin. Go and find PayPal for WooCommerce. Just type in PayPal. We want to install this plugin right here, Payment Plugins for PayPal WooCommerce. Install now. We also want to install Stripe. This plugin over here, this one. Install now. And we also want to install Razorpay because Stripe is not available in many countries, and we will use Razorpay for those countries that is not available. This one right here. Install now. And let's go back to our install plugins right now that we will have installed it, and let's activate them. Click on bulk actions, activate and apply. Alright, so right now we can manage our PayPal payment and go to settings. Let's go to payments in WooCommerce and let's enable payment gateway by payment gateway plugins. Let's enable that. Enable it. Save changes. Right now we have PayPal activated. Let's click on manage. Click on manage right here. Now we have to connect our PayPal. You can see the description right here, all of these things. We have to go to the API settings right here. Click on API settings. And we have to connect, click to connect so we can connect our PayPal. So, click to connect. You will have to fill in your details, your PayPal details, so you can connect your plugin. So, let's go. It says that we have to convert our personal account to business to accept payments on PayPal. So, you don't have to do that right now. I don't have to do that right now. You can go ahead and do it. I will show you just the way so you can do it. So it's okay. Next, we have to set up Stripe. So let's go to settings, payments, Stripe, enable it, and create or connect account. Now it will prompt you to connect your account in Stripe, Stripe email address, Now I have a problem with my account and I can't connect, but you go ahead and connect right here and you connect your accounts with Stripe. So let's go back to our website and let's just fix RazorPay. Let's go back to settings on WooCommerce, payments. Let's enable RazorPay, click on manage, enable this module. Credit card net banking, pay security by debit card or credit card, authorize and capture, save changes. Key ID, key secret, you have to put your key ID and key secret from your RazorPay account. I don't have a RazorPay account, but you can find it in your RazorPay account management style. So save changes. And that was it for now. I'll see you on the next one. Thank you very much. Hello everyone. In this lesson, we're going to start creating our first product. So what I want you to go is to CJ Dropshipping. Connect to this page. Click on register. Enter your email. Enter your password. Confirm your password. By clicking next, you confirm you agree to the user agreement. The email already exists, so we'll use another email just to demonstrate you how you create your account. Enter username, enter first name and last name, enter your mobile number, click on confirm. Here we can choose WooCommerce. I'm just starting my business, or you can skip that. We can answer it though. We are in clothing, men's clothing, and next. WooCommerce. Click on WooCommerce. Enter the site URL, your site URL, and authorize. Click on approve, and now you have just authorized access to your WooCommerce account, and now you can start importing products. We close that, accept all, and let's click on the logo of the website just right here. Now we can start importing products. So, first of all, let's go to men's clothing over here. Let's start with t-shirts, but I'm trying to see where they are. Yeah, over here. Alright, let's see solid. Okay, so we can start with this one. Let's choose this one. A list will appear down here, so click on the list item, and now all we have to do is change the title of the product. We need to shorten it a bit so it can be more pretty. Vacation shirt. Hawaii Beach vacation shirt. Please select a category. We can add a new category. We can name it t-shirts. Click on confirm. Now assign it to this category. Sync all. Click this category right now. We can add some tags. T-shirts, t-shirt, shirt. Now we're ready right here. Let's go to variant pricing. You can change the price of the estimated profit. You can see here total drop shipping price, which is $10.57, the shipping fee, which is $5.87, CJ price is $4.70. So the RRP is the estimated profit, which is 344%, and we can set it to this price so we can make some profit of it. But we can set it even much more so we can make for sure a profit. So I will set it up to 30.47. Click on OK. Now the price is set. You can change the description too. We don't need to do that. Images and videos. Click on list it now. Let's find more products. Alright, let's go to men's clothing again. We don't need that. Let's go to men's clothing again. Solid. And let's choose the next one. Let's choose this one. Okay, that looks nice. Alright, let's click on list, the same as before. And let's just change a bit the title. Short sleeve, strip jacquard mirrored, short sleeve t-shirt v-neck. Okay, we can leave it just to short sleeved. Please select a category. Okay, add some tags, t-shirt, t-shirts, shirt, and shirts, maybe. Okay, variant pricing, we can set it up to 50, which is too much I think, but it's okay, it's a nice shirt. Click on OK, and click on list it now. Let's find more products. We will add one more product so we can have three main products in our store. Never remind me again, and click on exit. Men's clothing, solid. Let's see. What is the next we're gonna add? What is the next thing we're gonna add? I like this one a lot, so let's add it. It matches the other two. Okay. So click on list right here. Let's change the title, or even though it's short and it's good. Please select a category, yeah. T-shirts. Let's give it some tags. T-shirts, t-shirt, shirt, shirts. Okay. Go to variant pricing. We can set it up to 25 and 50. I'll say. Click on OK and click on listed now. So, with that being said, we can go back to our store right now and make a few changes. Okay. So let's see our products right now, which is imported. Click on products under WooCommerce and we can see the 3 products imported right here. This one says out of stock, but it's okay. We can add another product. That was it for now. I'll see you on the next one. Thank you very much. Hello everyone. In this lesson we're gonna continue creating our homepage and designing it. So, first of all, we have to go in a new site called Unsplash to find an image for our banner. So, let's write Happy Man. I like this one. Let's put this one. So, the next site we want to go is called remove.bg. Let's go right here and let's click on upload image. We can use this one as well. So, let's use this one. From the stock media I have. So, click on download. Now we download it. And let's go back to our homepage. No, let's go to another site called canva.com. Here we can create custom designs. So, go ahead and make an account. And you can come here and create custom design. So, the custom design we're going to make is 900 pixels to 800 pixels. No. So, create a new design. And now we're going to add some styling here. So, let's add a picture, the picture we just downloaded. We're going to make it bigger. But not that big, because then it won't show. So that much big, and leave it right here. So the next step we want to make is to change the background color. So to change the background color, click on the background and let's choose a background color from the palette. So let's choose a background color, not like that. Let's choose another one. So we can go here to the color palette and choose a more calming color. Let's choose this one. You can choose this color, okay, and then let's go and make some elements. Choose some elements. We can see all the elements right here, and we can choose the elements we want. So let's search for elements now. Basically, we can see from the already ones, heart. Let's see heart shapes. Not this one. Let's add this one and make it go on the background. Choose background, one background back, one level back, and we can make it be just like that, underneath the shoulder. Or maybe not, we can change that, it doesn't look good. So, let's go back. Let's search for arrow, or for lines. Basically, let's search for gradient shape. Gradient shape. Alright, so let's take this one. Let's put it level back. Let's change the color. Make it like that. So it's like a flashing machine. We can also find other ones. Other background colors, shapes, gradient shape. Yes, let's add this one. Make it a level back. Let's change its color. Maybe we can't change that, but we can add another one. Level back. We can add more of that. That looks better. And now we can put few more details. Alright, there I made a few changes. I changed the color, background color. So, I think we're ready right here. Let's go ahead and download it. And let's go back to our home page and click on the 6 dot sign up above. So, click on Classic, choose Image, and let's go ahead and upload the file. Go to our downloads. Let's select the file. Let's insert it. Now, all we have to do is to, basically we have to remove that, and we have to go edit the container, and in that container we have to put this image. So, let's do it again. Let's make it center. No repeat. Display size cover. So right now it's ready. Let's take the spacer. Let's put it inside here. and let's adjust a little bit the size of it. So update the changes. Now there we have it. Now what we want to do is to put a header inside here, not a heading. Let's go to Style, click on Typography, and let's change it to Poppets. Now let's take a text editor, put it underneath it. Let's delete that. And let's write, basically no, we don't need that text editor. Let's delete it. Let's go ahead and put a button underneath it. Just like that. You can change the button to Shop Now. And change the color on hover and normal. So we can change the color, we can leave it blue, and change the color on hover to something more darker. Something like that. Click on Update the changes. And that's it for today. We're gonna make it more beautiful in the next part. Thank you so much. Hello everyone, in this lesson we're gonna continue creating our homepage. And we're gonna make some changes. I made already some changes in the homepage, so you can see the page, the picture is already new. You will find it in the course resources. And let's continue. So you have to change the style for this. So let's change the border width. Let's adjust the box shadow, just like that, and hit update the changes. Then we paste the style to every other. Then we change it for every one of them. Or you can duplicate it if you haven't done it yet. Delink it, increase it, just like that. Hit update the changes. Now we're ready. So now let's go ahead and duplicate them so it will fit the whole distance of the Canva. So now we have them, fashion, and let's add some new things right here. Let's add the fourth section, and we're going to add an image box. We're going to change the image, upload files, go to downloads, and select this one. Let's now change the icon to something smaller. Now let's copy and paste, copy paste, and let's change the icons. Okay, so now we're gonna change some things over here. Let's change the image position to left, vertical alignment center, alignment left. Let's change the image size, width, I'm gonna make it 20, and let's also change the content, and let's make it 14 pixels, fast delivery, and let's change the font family to Poppins. Let's also do that for these two. Middle, left, image, 20, content, let's make it 20, it's better. I think 20 is better. So let's change these two. So, let's change the typography to also here, Poppins. I'm going to do the same thing for that as well. Middle, left, image, make it 20, content, make it 20 as well, and change the typography to Poppins. Also this one as well. Left, middle, left, image, make it 20, content, make it 20. Change the typography to Poppins. That's it. Update the changes. And now we can add some text right here in the content. For orders over $50, $50 basically, but we leave it dollars. Fast delivery within 4 to 10 days. Let's change this one as well. Okay, so let's change the content here. We offer the best products. Let's change this one to low price, low price, low price guarantee. And to fast delivery within 4 to 10 days. Hit update, and that's it. Let's change the content. I'm gonna make it a little bit smaller so it can be in one line. Hit update changes, and that's it. So we can continue with making our another grid. We can change this grid to vertical, and we have to change the columns layout. I put the 3 columns and I make it 35 and 35 each. So let's continue. Now let's go to the elements, grab a container and put in a container for each of those. Now we can take a heading, write new arrivals, change the typography, make it Poppins, and then put another heading over here, change it to work and play, and let's change the color right now. Let's just save this as a new global color. Update the changes. Now we're going to change that to 18 pixels and go ahead and make line height, letter spacing, line height. Basically we're going to leave it as it is. And let's go to text editor. Let's take a text editor and put it underneath. Change the text 3 year, enjoy a 3-year guarantee. Let's now change the text to 13 pixels. Hit update. Now let's change the text color. And let's include something more. And after that, let's make it something more. Let's add another heading right here. Let's add shop now. Let's make it smaller. Not that small. That small is good. Now let's change this to bold. Let's change the color. Let's go ahead and underline this. So go to Style, select Decoration, Underline. And let's type in a link to that. From our website, from our shop page. Let's copy the link. Let's come back here and paste in the link. Click on update. And now it's ready. Now we want some padding. from all sides. 30 padding from all sides. And now it's time to insert our banner. So, click on this edit container, click on Style, Classic, choose an image, upload files, select files, and let's find our banner. Select. Now, make position center center, default, no repeat, cover. So, that's nice, it's ready. Now let's click on the container, click copy, paste, not this one, the whole container we need, copy, paste. Basically we don't need the container here, not here, neither here. Delete them. And now paste in the containers. So now delete all the containers right here, delete them, and click on the container, click on copy, and paste. And paste, and that's it. Now click on update. Now we want a gap between these two and the third one. So what we're going to do is to make the gap, not like that. Click on the container, click on Advanced, Margin, 11. Click on Update, click on the next container, Margin, 11. Click on the container, click on the next Advanced, Margin, 11. So now there we have it. The containers are margined. So, next up, we need a hover animation here. So, click on the container, click on Style, click on Hover, Background Overlay, click on Advanced, let's go to Transform, Hover, Scale 1.1, and now it's just like that. Let's do the next thing, the same thing for the next one. Click on Transform, Scale 1.1. Click on the next one, Transform, Scale 1.1. Click on Update. Let's make it on Hover, 1.1, Update. Let's make it on Hover, Transform, (1.1). So there you have it. Click on. Now let's change those images. Click on Edit Container. Let's go here, Classic, choose Image, Upload Files, select Files, choose the banner, put it inside there, let's make it full. Hover, default. Click on the container, Style, choose Image, select Image, choose our next banner, this one, select it, that's it. Now let's change the text style, text color. Let's make it something pink. New global color. As you can see, change that. Let's go to new arrivals. Yes, let's change the color to something more darker than this yellow, something like that. Click on style, global color, new global color. Click on update. Now the section is ready. Alright, now let's choose a flexbox, vertical down alignment. Let's put a heading, featured products. Now let's put another one. Let's update the changes. We're gonna change this to heading 5, heading 6 maybe, to make it smaller, and update the changes. Now we need to add some featured products, so let's take the shortcode. Let's put it underneath here. Now you have to go to Google and search for WooCommerce shortcodes. Let's see the shortcodes. You can see scenario 1, random sale items. So let's take this one, go to edit homepage, let's paste this one in, hit on apply. Let's go take another shortcode, let's go take the scenario 2, featured products. So let's go back. And let's paste this shortcode, let's hit on apply. Let's make some changes. Columns, we need 1. Product limit, we need 8. Visibility, featured. Hit on update. Now what we have to do is to set the featured product. So let's go back to our products. And if we hit this star, we set it as a featured product. So hit the stars. And now if we go back to home and refresh it, we will see our products right here. Featured products. We don't want to see them like that. This is what I did. Wait a minute, we will fix that. We want to see them like that. Hit on apply. And now we're ready. So now what we're gonna do, let's everything looks okay. Let's take this title. Let's hit another flexbox, vertical alignment down. Let's copy this headline. And now we're gonna import some templates. Hit on this icon right here. Hit on this icon right here. And search for free, let's see, blocks. Let me find this what I need. This is what we want. Let's hit on import template. And that template will gonna be imported. So now everything looks good. Hit on update. And now we want to display our nicest products, our recent products. So click on this icon right here, click on copy, click on this sheet, click here, click paste, and now let's click on this. Change it to recent products. And all we have to do is to change the shortcode. So click on here, let's go back to WooCommerce, and let's take the newest products shortcode. Paste it in and apply. Now everything looks ready. Hit on update. Now I want to change some things. Columns 3. Let's make it 3. Hit on update. And with this we have completed our homepage. I'll see you on the next one. Take care. Hello everyone, in this lesson we're gonna make our first blog post. So go to posts, add new post. Let's open ChatGPT. So write a blog post about the best t-shirts. We copy all these things, the blog post, and I'll show you how to make the SEO right. So we will download SEO, an SEO plugin. So we copy paste all these things, hit on publish. Let's go back to our plugins. Hit on plugins, add new plugin. Let's search for rank math SEO. This is the plugin we need. Install now. Click on activate. And let's connect our account. Okay, activate now. Let's go with the easy setup. Start wizard. It's a web shop. The name is Well Minds. We don't need the logo. You can upload your logo right here. Connect to Google services. Go ahead and connect them. Continue. Continue. Google AdSense. enable install analytics code, and save and continue. Return to dashboard. So now what we're going to do is go back to posts, all posts, trash the hello world post, and edit our blog post. You can write about anything you need in the blog post, anything you want. So hit up here on the rank math and you will see all those things right here. It suggests you what to do to upgrade your SEO. So what we're going to do is we're going to start with the title and the focus word. So we're going to start and say t-shirts. That increased our SEO at 56. So what we want to do next is focus keyword not found in your SEO meta description. So we want to include the t-shirt in our meta description. So let's do it right here. Hit on update. Let's check our additional things. Focus keyword not found in H2, H3, and etc. We can make it t-shirt. That will increase more our SEO. You see? It increased. So let's change this right here to t-shirt. Let's add an image. Featured image. Let's go with this one and add the alt text t-shirt. Set featured image. It increased in 67. So now we want to include some photos in our blog post so it will increase the SEO. So what we'll do now is click on the plus icon, click on image, click on upload, or insert media library. So let's insert this picture from our collection. Do the same thing again. Hit the plus icon, image, media library. Do the same thing again. We'll keep it up to 3. Media library. So it increased to 71. Update it. Let's make the alternative text for these photos. And hit on update. Link out to external sources. So now we want to include some websites down here. We want to choose the link icon, and write Nike.com. 2. Include the link icon. and we save that. It increased our SEO to 77. So, we have to add some internal links too. So, to add those internal links, we will have to go to our shop and link our shop here. Copy link address. Let's come down here and name our shop. Give a link to our shop. Without the WP admin. So, it increased our SEO to 82. Now I think we are good to go. So, this was it for today's lesson. I think I'll see you on the next one. Thank you very much. Hello everyone. In this lesson we're going to create our menus. So, go to Appearance, Menus, enter the menu name, main menu. It's going to be our primary menu, so give it the name of primary menu, create menu. So now let's view all pages, home, shop and wishlist. And my account page. Let's drag them all in. Let's save menu. Now we can take a look at our site. This is our page. So, next up, we're going to create a blog page. So go to all pages, add new page. Let's name it blog. Hit on publish and publish it. Come back, go to settings, reading, and select post page and assign it to blog. Save changes. Now let's go back to our menus and let's put the blog page on our menu. Click on Save Menu. Now let's refresh. Now we can see our blog page. Here is our blog page. So, now we will create the order tracking form. So, let's go to our pages, add new page. Let's write track order, hit on shortcodes, add it, and if we go in the same page up in the descriptions, we will see order tracking form. Wait a minute. I will give you the shortcut. So it's WooCommerce order tracking. Just like that. And hit on publish. Now we go back. Let's go to our appearance, menus. Let's put the track order in our menu. Save menu. Now if we come back to home, refresh the page, now we can see we have our tracking page. So, let's go back. Now we need to install another plugin. which is called Classic Widgets. Here it is, install it now, activate it, and now let's go to our appearance, widgets, and let's delete everything from here, and we will have to assign some new things right here. So let's delete under WooCommerce everything, and let's find product search and add it to WooCommerce sidebar. Next, let's find filter products by price, add it to WooCommerce sidebar. Next, let's find product categories and add it to WooCommerce sidebar. Next, let's find filter product by rating. Here it is, add widget, filter product by attribute, add widget, and then let's change filter by size, save, and let's change the attribute to size, filter by size, we can't change it, drop down, list, click on save, and let's do it again by attribute, add widget, let's move it up, here, filter by color, and save it. Okay, let's remove these two, product by attribute, we don't need them, and let's leave everything else as it is. Let's add one more thing though, product tag cloud. So, let's see, here it is, add widget. And now we're ready. Let's go and see our live preview in the site. Now you can see filter by price, product categories, and product tags. Now you can see all of them. It's ready. Alright, that was it for this lesson. I'll see you in the next one. Until then, take care. Hello everyone, in this lesson we're going to customize our appearance. So go to Appearance, click on Customize. Let's add the final details to our site. So, we're going to change the logo. So go to Site Identity, select Logo, Upload Files. I'm going to upload a logo that I have pre-made, this one over here, crop image, select it, insert it, hit on Publish. I'm gonna need to change the site title and make it Web Minds. Publish, go back, go to the layout, normal header, go to design, and let's change the background color. Let's change it to something like that. Now we need to change the icon color. Let's make it white. That's it. We can change the count color and make it orange, just like that. Account background color, we can change that to orange too. or maybe to black. Or maybe change that to orange and that to black. That looks better. Hit on publish. Now we can go back. Now let's go to primary menu. Come back, go to typography, primary menu, and let's change the menu color to white. Now it's done. Hit on publish, and now we're ready. Now let's change our WooCommerce settings. Let's change product images. Sorry, I accidentally got out. Let's customize product images. Go to WooCommerce, product images. Let's change it custom, so make it 3x4, so it becomes more vertical, like that, just like that. Now let's change the sidebar. Shop archive. No, not here. Click on layout. Click on sidebar. And let's make it left sidebar. Shop single, left sidebar. Shop product archive, left sidebar. So hit on publish. Now we can add the trust bar. So go to WooCommerce, product single, not learn more, select general, select image, upload the images I have given you, and upload the trust bar. Save checkout. This is the one. So now if I click on a product, you can see the saved checkout right here. Hit on publish. Next, everything looks good. I'll see you on the next one. Take care. Hello everyone. In this lesson we will make our site ready for mobile phones. So let's go to customize. Let's switch to mobile view. So here it is. We have to make some changes right here, so it will be nice. So let's go back to Elementor. Go to pages. Click on home, edit. Click on edit with Elementor. So choose mobile view. So we want to hide this on mobile phone. Click on container. Advanced. Responsive. Hide on mobile portrait. Now we hide it. So next we want to change the margins. Delink it. Also delink this. And we want to make it 40 by 40. Now we can change the headings and make them center. In mobile we need everything in center. Let's make it a little bit smaller. just like that. Hit on update. If you find this image distracting, you can change it by hitting here, going to style, and making it center left, and it will disappear. Hit on update. And for this over here, you can go hit this icon right here, go to layout, container, for mobile phones, we can set 2 columns like this. We will leave them just like that, just as it is. The rest, everything looks okay. We can change the columns. And now we are okay. Rest everything is good, hit on update. Now let's see our view from this view and mobile view. Our site looks nice. So that was it for this lesson. I'll see you in the next one. We finished our website and I'll see you in the conclusion. Thank you very much. Hello everyone. Thank you. In this lesson, the last lesson of the course, I wanted to thank you for participating in my course and making this amazing site with me. I want to show you the last result with me, and I want to wish you the very best in your online business. I want to wish you satisfaction in everything you do and completement and fulfillment in everything you do in your life. I want to wish you the best in every area of your life, and I hope I'll see you on the next courses I'm planning to make, which going to be similar like this one in other subjects and areas of WordPress, and I'm very happy. So let's take a look at our site. Let's click on shop. This is our shop with variants. You can add to wishlist things, close. Let's see our account. Hello admin, our downloads, our addresses. Let's see our blog. We upgraded the SEO. Right here we learned how to rank with SEO. We added some links and some internal links. Track order, right here, it's our tracking orders, and our wish list that we added right here, right now. Rest everything is good. Thank you. Have a good day. Have a good night everywhere you are. I hope you're well. Thank you again from the bottom of my heart.